How is it going, guys? I've got the boot off. The ankle is feeling a whole lot better. It's not quite 100% yet, but I can at least walk around without searing pain in my ankle, so that is a huge plus. It's also Quick Tip Tuesday, a new series that I'm hoping to do at least once a month. As the name suggests, it's gonna be a shorter video that's covering something that I think a lot of you guys will be interested in. Nowadays, there's a lot of longer videos, 10, 15, 20 minutes, and you're still gonna see those, but every now and then I'm gonna sprinkle some of these in just in case you have a couple minutes to kill and wanna learn a tip or two. The GR86 and BRZ are small, compact sports cars, and they sit lower than the average vehicle on the road. And there's a lot of distracted drivers out there. So I'm seeing a lot of these cars end up in rear end collisions. So if there's something that you can do to make your car more visible to others and let them know that you're slowing down or coming to a stop, I'd highly suggest it. Now you could go out and spend a couple $100 on an aftermarket fourth brake light, but I personally haven't found one that I'm completely in love with, which is why I still have the OEM unit on the car. And when you start swapping out aftermarket lights onto the car, you can run into burnt out LEDs, condensation, and it can just become a big headache. Instead, I've got a way for you to turn your OEM third brake light into an F1 blinking brake light so that you not only maintain the OEM quality, you also improve your visibility to those behind you. It's super easy to install. Installs in less than 5 minutes. In fact, I think I can do it in under 1 minute. We'll test it out at the end of the video. But let me show you guys what you need to do to get it installed. And once it's on the car, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Pop open your trunk and you're gonna see the cover on the underside of the trunk lid that's held in with 7 of these pop clips. All you need is a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and you pry the center portion out, and that's gonna allow you to pull the clip out. So pop out all 7 of those, and then we can remove the cover. With that cover removed, that reveals 2 different connections, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. The one we'd want to disconnect is the one on the driver's side. Do not get this mixed up with the one on the passenger side because it uses the same connector. So now we'll disconnect the connection again on the driver's side by pressing the tab on the top of the connector and pulling out like so. And that's gonna allow us to install our Driven Media F1 blinking module. This utilizes OE style connectors to make this completely plug and play, no splicing whatsoever. So we'll plug these in, only one way they can go in. And you see they lock into place just like that. You can tuck this away. If you really want, you can zip tie this to the harness that's behind here just to make sure there's no rattling whatsoever. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna leave this like this, and then we're gonna get the panel reinstalled and check out how it looks. All right, I'm gonna hop inside the car. And when I press on the brake pedal, you should see a series of flashes, and after that, it turns into a normal solid brake light. And this is gonna help to alert the driver behind you, letting them know that you are coming to a stop or slowing down. Now, the reason why it turns into a solid brake light is because you don't really want a continuous flashing brake light. That's just gonna be annoying and distracting to other drivers. So when you first press on that brake pedal, you're gonna get the flashes, and as you come to a stop, it's gonna be the normal solid brake light as it should. And there you have it, guys. It is as simple as that. Less than 5 minutes, like I said. And it's only 55 bucks, complete no-brainer for me. If you wanna pick one up for yourself, the link is down in the description. Head on over to the Driven Media website to help support the channel and check out all the other products we have available. We're back on the grind making videos, guys. You can expect to see at least 1 to 2 videos a week moving forward. We've got the GR86, the WRX, tons of content coming your way. Let me know what else you'd like to see on the channel. If you're enjoying everything, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's see if I can install this thing in less than a minute. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.